Hello, friends. Jay here from Assholes Watching Movies. If you joined us last time, you saw us try the blue milk, walk through Smuggler's Run, crash the Millennium Falcon, build a droid, and visit Oga's Cantina for intergalactic drinks and music. Check below for the link. This time we're getting ready to build a lightsaber at Savi's workshop, only don't ask for it by name. Lightsabers are contraband on Batuu. Look for the scrap metal shop instead. First, you'll take a look at this menu and decide what kind of lightsaber you'll want to build. Peace and justice, power and control, elemental nature, or protection and defense. Inside you'll be given even more choices between sleeves, emitters, activation plates, and of course the color of your kyber crystal. But for now you'll be given a pin for your shirt, yours to keep, and credentials that allow you, the builder, and one guest into the workshop.
I see you've all met the gatherers. Very good. And you may call me Kembe. Now, to some of you, this may look like a lot of old junk, but let me assure you, some of it is new junk. Let me explain. We humbly call ourselves the Gatherers. We search the galaxy for ancient relics, abandoned places, forgotten outposts, and battle-ravaged planets. What we find, we bring here, to the workshop. So where a stormtrooper may seem worthless plotter, those who know see priceless history. And in these troubled times, preserving our past may ensure our future. You've heard the legend of Luke Skywalker, yes? Yes. Very good. Now, we hear there is another, a new Jedi. Do you know her name? Rey, yes, and what she is leading is the spark of hope that we have been searching for so long. And that's why you're here, to look ahead and to build this. A lightsaber. The lightsaber has been wielded by some of our greatest heroes and darkest enemies. It is elegant and enigmatic. To build a lightsaber is an art. The saber is a reflection on its builder with the force flowing between them. Today you will feel that connection. But enough talking. Let's begin, shall we? We begin with perhaps the most important part of the lightsaber, the kyber crystal. Able to focus the energy of the Force to magnify it. Some say the kyber crystal is the heart of the lightsaber. The color of the crystal determines the color of the lightsaber's blade. The blue crystal, like the one wielded by Obi-Wan Kenobi, his apprentice Anakin Skywalker, and now Rey. Green, Qui-Gon Jinn, Ahsoka Tano, Master Yoda himself, and Luke Skywalker. The violet crystal, rare, beautiful, like the one wielded by Mace Windu. And red, the color of power, the crystal of Darth Maul, the Sarge Ventress Darth Vader, and now Kylo Ren. But these are the stories of the past. We're here for you, our future. It's now time to select your kyber crystal. Everyone, close your eyes for me. Close your eyes. In your mind, picture your crystal. What color do you see? What color calls to you? What color is yours? Now open your eyes. Take your crystal and remember, the crystal may be choosing you. Now, if you would, please place them on the green crystal holder in front of you. We will now pair your crystal with the unique lightsaber design that you have chosen. We'll begin by building the hilt, foundation of your lightsaber, your center of control, and the part that's up to your hand for being disintegrated. How important. In these boxes are the unique components of the lightsaber design that you have chosen. Very good. Now, in the boxes you will find the chassis, activation plates, grip, pommel cap, and emitter. Building a lightsaber is a journey. Just as you selected your kyber crystal, so too you will now select the individual parts that make up your own unique saber. The gatherers are here to help you should you require assistance. Well, are we ready? Yes. Very good. Let's build.
Greetings, my friends. My name is Roman, and I am here to help both of you construct your lightsaber tonight. Now, let's begin, as Kembe said, with the chassis, the core component of lightsaber build. Take that kyber crystal that you have chosen from the pedestal in front of you and place it in the crystal chamber at the center of the chassis. There is a spring-loaded top to this chamber. If you press against it with the top of your finger, that will help you center the crystal in place, and once it is merged with the chassis, it will light up with the color you have chosen for your lightsaber's blade. Yes, well done, my friend. It's excellent. Give that a spin with your finger, make sure it's locked in place. Excellent. Perfect. Yes, good work, my friend. Now, the next step will be selecting one of the two pairs of activation plates you see in front of you. Make sure that you keep the pairs together. We don't mix and match from activation plates. That's how very bad things happen when we try to act. But on the inside of these plates, you'll see red and blue markings. These red and blue markings match the red and blue on your chassis. So to put on the plates, all you have to do is match the red square to the red square and the blue square to the blue square. They will click together and form a protective housing for your kyber crystal and the activation switch for your blade. Excellent. Test that activation switch for me, my friend. Yes, very good. Very good. Yours, my friend. Yes, excellent. I know neither of those sound great. It's not something you ordinarily hear from a lightsaber, but it just means that kyber crystal is not yet focused inside. But it means your chassis is working as it tries to spark that ignition. So the next step, my friends, is selecting two of the four grips that you see in front of you. Any two of the four you'd like to work with, but notice, all of your grips have a raised silver band around one end. This is the widest end of your grip, and that raised silver band goes in towards your activation plates as you design. So keep that in mind, but you can choose any two you'd like to work with, and they are interchangeable, so you can use them for either top or bottom-handed grip. That one you'll want to right there. So the wider end.
Yep, this piece
excellent.
Truly powerful component.
Yes,
we crafted piece,
my friend.
You might be able to.
Yes. It happens to the best of us at some point.
There's a replacement for you, my friend.
Excellent. Happy Life Day.
Sorry.
That's alright, I'm not on the ribcage.
Now, when you've chosen the grip that you're ready to use, what you're going to do is get a hand on that grip and a hand on that activation plate, and you're going to slowly but firmly twist until you feel it tighten in place. And use a good amount of muscle, just make sure that you take it nice and slow because you don't want to overstrip that grip or damage those activation plates. And after that full-handed twist, you should feel it tighten in place and secure your grip with your lightsaber's blade.
It's alright, I'm safe to fly.
You're safe to fly.
The blade emitter creates that energy field that regulates the blade into that iconic shape it's so known for.
Let the realizing start to connect with your lightsaber.
Where's the final piece?
Here we are. Sometimes it helps when tightening the grip, especially the bottom one, to invert the saber, to like grab it and guide it into that position. There you go. And and then choose one of your two blade emitters first. And then once you've secured that blade emitter, the final step is that pommel cap, which goes on the base end and twists in place with a few quick turns, just like your blade emitter. And when you finish the construction of your saber, place it on the pedestal in front of you.
You mind if I check that?
Well balanced.
Oh, looks good.
Excellent work, my friend.
Beautiful sabers here.
Design well balanced.
Excellent work. Now, if you would.
Very reminiscent of those Jedi of the Clone Wars with these many
Now,
components come
take your saber in your dominant hand, whether that be your left or your right.
activate, you're going to put that switch
Start
up
to
just
feel
like
how
that.
it sits there within your grip. Just once. And ask yourself of that piece. Why did that piece call to you? What was it about that component
Just like that to
that called the force to guide you towards those pieces? Very good. Now, if you would place your saber in the horizontal raised holder in front of you. Very good. Take a look around the room. Fashion. Consider that moving forward and take a moment of quiet reflection on your new lightsaber. Very good. We've all completed your hilts and nothing unexpected or traumatic happened. Because what? Which brings us now to the most dangerous part of the process. I'll ask you all to take a step back. Gatherers, we'll now begin stabilizing your crystals for activation. This must be done with great care. Skill and timing as a single inverted emitter or cracked kyber crystal. So we could have yet another hole in the roof of this workshop. What's happening?
Many parts there were now joined they are. Yes, lightsaber. It begins. It is time. Your journey.
Master Yoda, it is indeed time to take that first step. The bond between Saber and Builder is about to be forged. In a moment, on my signal, everyone will take a step forward. Place their hand on their hilt, and together, on my command, you will activate for the first time. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Very good. Now step forward. Place your hand on your hilt and activate. Builders, raise your lightsabers. You have built a lightsaber like a Jedi, a Sith who came before you. And like that, you too can change the galaxy. Remember, it only takes a spark. Builders, please deactivate and lower your lightsabers. Very good.
Ah, complete your lightsaber is. Like you when it can, when you do, it cannot. Your journey, you both begin. May the Force be with you.
Thank you, Master Yoda. Builders, in your hands, you hold remarkable power. Remarkable power should not be dropped on the ground. To protect your new lightsaber, we're pleased to present you with a saber sheath as you depart. Our time is at an end, but your journey is just beginning. It's now time to make your mark on the galaxy. Remember, you are as unique and extraordinary as the lightsaber you have created. And who knows, perhaps next time we may be telling your story. Till the spire.
Till the spire! Congratulations, my friend. You did an excellent job on the
To celebrate, we toast with a couple of those Coke grenades and spend some time using the Disney Play app to explore all the nooks and crannies of Galaxy's Edge. We end at Docking Bay 7 for some of Batu's infamous desserts.
Okay, we're in Galaxy's Edge and we're trying the Oi Oi Puff.
Oh,
Wow.
okay.
Yeah, surprisingly purple.
Now we know what the inside of an oi looks like. Is she delicious?
Yeah.
Oh,
it
good.
is.
Ooh, thank goodness.
Very good.
We're committed.
Deliciously purple. Okay.
Hello from Cargo Bay 7 in Galaxy's Edge. I look like I'm about to eat the Galaxy backwards to Batu Bon. I'm baking a bunch of it. Oh, look at this. Look at that. That's nice, actually. I like it. I like this one a lot.
What does it
Not
taste
too
like?
berry. I mean, obviously there's chocolate, but then this is a nice light custard up here. So it makes for a nice mix. It's like rich and light together, so not too much of any one thing.
Okay.
Very nice. Good balance. I like it.
Thanks, Jay.
Before you go, there are two must-do photo ops. The first is in front of Kylo Ren's ship, where you'll find a photographer with a funny-looking camera, which takes these cool 360-degree photos of the park. The second is, of course, a nighttime photo shoot in front of the Millennium Falcon with your new lightsaber. There's no better way to show it off.